My name's Wesley Gorman. I'm Director of Engineering at Zendesk in Dublin. So this is an initiative that was started by Peter Aiken to encourage people from more diverse backgrounds to submit their first conference talk proposal. At a lot of tech conferences, you'll find, at least traditionally, a lot of people speaking on very similar topics who all look quite the same. Over the last number of years, there's been a push to get more people involved who can tell more diverse stories about their time in software development and different industries. And I think that's, a really valuable thing for conference attendees to hear.
My name is Shika. I'm a software engineer at Zendesk. 19 signed up. Hopefully all of them will show up early on a Saturday morning. This is my first year getting involved with it. I think last year Zendesk hosted it, and there were about 15 people or so that's around the ratio. It's a very niche area. Not everybody likes to do public speaking.
My name is Jen Cronin, and I am a People Development Manager here at Zendesk. I'm here in the capacity as a mentor today, and the reason I wanted to get involved is because I think it's a great opportunity to help people as they try something new and develop a new skill to help them in their careers, especially around the art of public speaking. I think it can be daunting for a lot of people as they try to publicly speak for the first time. So that we're hoping essentially today's event will help people work on their brand, work on their paper submittal, and ultimately get ready for that first talk.
My name is Luminica Bernicu, and I work here as a software engineer in the infrastructure team. So I came here because it is a great opportunity to learn and to get inspired and motivated by people who know more about the subject and they want to share their knowledge and their skills. Also because I'd like to tackle the anxiety of designing a paper, defining a topic, and your biography. And also because I'd like to meet new people with the same interests as me.